Hi, I'm Hank. I paraglide as a living and push cars to the limit. What's up guys, so it's the next day. As you probably saw yesterday, we did the planning. Yeah, the rain kind of ruined it, but now I guess we're now gonna try and actually cut. This is, I think, the 4 feet by 4 feet. What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's time we actually go and assemble everything that you saw last time at night while we were cutting late in the day. We have this idea so far, we're still discussing it. We want to try and actually cut this to be a nice angle here and just weld it nicely, but I think welding we'll do later after cutting. But this is the frame so far. So as you probably saw while I was measuring, the line here that we had planned is extended. Normally we wanted this square piece to be here by this line, but we thought it would be kind of out of weight. So the plan would be we extend this line past here to where it was about to turn, and then we will connect it either here or somewhere in between these two lines. To do that, so yeah, I guess that's it. So now I guess we go and weld the back side. We'll get the hinges I think in the next video or soon, and this project is almost first stage is almost done. We do actually have the main body where we'll be sitting done, and I guess we just need to weld this side here. We need to go get the hinges and stuff. Then I think we fully weld it after. Then we start on the front phase with all the suspension and the headaches over here. And yeah. Sadly my GoPro died then, and I just want to go get a battery right now. But yeah, we basically are almost done for the first half, because we've done the front side and we've welded at basically everything. Now I think tomorrow we just need to get the bushes to assemble these two here, and once we've done that, then I think we can move on to the part 2. We've just cut the front half, the front end, so let's go ahead, weld it, and I guess that might be it for today.